everybody, it's me, MegaEep, and this is Malik, as you should know. But, unfortunately, he has to go home soon, so we're going to make a short little video of us being medically insane. No offense to you medically insane people.
Anyway, I'm gonna sing like I'm a retard. I'm sorry I'm blue! I'm sorry I'm bad! And who's that?
Hero's mom, I think.
I'm sorry about all the things.
I don't know. Chocolate rain.
Chocolate rain.
Chocolate rain.
Woohoo! Hey, baby.
It's
Hey,
pizza.
It's pizza?
Yeah. For them people.
Oh, you know them people?
We already eat dinner.
Ha ha ha!
We eated this thingy that my grandma calls porcupine.
How did it taste?
All that it is rice. She calls it porcupine.
Oh, it's okay. No fun.
Oh, I smell the pizza over here. Woohoo!
We're just making a webcam video. Starting our Earth reality.
Wave to the people!
Wave to the people.
You're on YouTube.
Yeah! We got a picture man on YouTube. I just want to shout out that my birthday's coming up in June 2nd. And if you guys want to go, just come over to my grandma's house. It's 100 candles. Never mind. Anyway, yeah, come over to my school. Let's go over to the school. Bye. All right, Emily. I'll talk to you later.
Bye, Malik.
Bye.
Malik, say bye to the people.
Goodbye.
Chocolate rain. Chocolate rain. Chocolate rain.
Bye.